Hello everyone, you are on the phone support channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like to support it. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or feel free to ask questions. Thank you. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can easily recover deleted video from TikTok. That is, if you accidentally deleted a video from TikTok, it can be restored. How to do it? For this, we have to go to the app itself. Now at the top, click on the three bars. And then you click on Setting and Private. Here you go a little lower and find the item. Activity Center. Now find Recently Deleted. Open it up. And here are the videos that we deleted. And in order to restore it, we press the button, Restore this post. Our video is restored. Now we exit the settings, go to our page, and here is the video that we just restored. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. There's nothing complicated. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. You were on the phone support channel. See you soon. Watch other videos on this channel.